Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how you can pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp. If you notice on WhatsApp, you can only pin up to 3 chats. As you can see it here, you can only pin up to 3 chats. If you try pinning any other chat, you will notice it is not possible. Alright, you can see it below, you can only pin up to 3 chats. So how do we bypass this? Let's quickly get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video after you must have got value from it, and don't forget to share. Thank you. So now the first thing you need to do is to click on one of the chat that is being pinned already. After clicking on the chat, you achieve the chat. Alright, you achieve the chat. After you must have achieved the chat, then you click on the chat you wish to pin. After you click on the chat, then you pin it. After pinning, immediately you click on undo. All these things you need to be very fast. Please don't do mistake. It is very simple. Once you click on one of the chat that has been pinned, then you click on achieve chat. After clicking on achieve chat, you click on the chat you wish to pin. After pinning the chat, you click on undo. So let's quickly practicalize it now. Let's see how it goes. I don't know if you see what I just did now. If you notice here now, we have 4 chats that has been pinned. 4 chat has been pinned here. So you understand, you can decide to pin more. So let's quickly pin another chat. So how do we achieve that? Now that you want to pin another one, we have 4 chats here. Now you need to click on 2 chats. 1, 2. Alright, this time around we are achieving 2 chats for we to pin one more chat. Sure you understand? So let's quickly proceed. Here is the achieve button. Have you seen it? So we have 5 chats being pinned around, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 chats that has been pinned already. I can decide to pin more chats. Just follow this strategy. It's very simple. Now let's assume we wish to pin one more chat. So how do we do that? So now we already have 5 here. What we just have to do now is to click on this chat and this and this. Now as you can see, we've clicked on 3 chats already and we left 2 here. This is 2 chats we left. Alright, so anything you are pinning, even though you have 100 chats that has been pinned, you need to make sure you click on 98 chats and you will remain 2, because with this strategy you can only follow this guideline. Without following this guideline, it won't work. Sure you understand? Anything you are pinning, make sure you always leave 2 chats that is not touched. Alright, emphasis on 2 chats. So let's proceed. Now you just click on the achieve button just as we have been doing it. Then you click on the chat you wish to pin and you click on undo. Now as you can see, we have 6 chats that has been pinned. As you can see, 6 chats has been pinned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, so it's as simple as that. There is nothing more to do. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your lovely ones.